Hello, and welcome to Creative Corner. Today we will learn to use and customize Magic Wand tool. Using this tool we can select multiple objects with the same format. Select the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar or by clicking Y on the keyboard. Here we have a cube and we want to select the squares of same color, so we will click on a square with that specific color and each one having that color will be selected. Squares are getting selected on the basis of fill color they have. To add to the current selection, press Shift. You can see that the plus icon has appeared. Now, click another object containing the attributes you want to add. All objects with the same attributes that were clicked are also selected. Now, I want to subtract the gray squares form the selection. To do so, press Alt, minus icon will appear next to the tools icon. Click the object containing the attributes you want to subtract. All objects with the same attributes are removed from the selection. We can also customize the Magic Wand tool to select the objects on the basis of stroke and opacity. Firstly, open the Magic Wand panel, by double-clicking the Magic Wand tool in the Tools panel. Or choose Window, Magic Wand. Currently, Fill option is checked and you can see that our selection is based on it. We can adjust the tolerance level of fill. For RGB it ranges from 0 to 255 and for CMYK it is 0 to 100 pixels. Low tolerance values select objects that are very similar to the object you click. Higher tolerance values select objects with a broader range of the selected property. Now, uncheck the fill option and check the stroke color. We can change the tolerance of it, as well. Its range is same as that of fill. As all the squares have stroke off, so clicking a single square will select the all. Note that the black background is not selected because it's having black stroke. Now, I'm going to change the stroke color of the squares so we can check further options. Now, if we select the square, two of them will not be selected because they have different stroke color, and if those squares are selected, no other square will get selected. Let's check the stroke size option and uncheck stroke color. By selecting any of the square it will select all because, by default, each square have stroke size of 1. Tolerance value of stroke weight is between 0 and 1000 points. I'm going to increase the stroke size of squares to check its effect on our selection. Observe the tolerance, stroke size and its effect on selection. Low tolerance will let us select the exact objects, but high tolerance will leave a room for multiple objects. Let's move toward our last option, that is, opacity. I am going to change the opacity of a square to have an insight how selection works for it. Check the opacity. Now, if we select a square, all the squares are selected except the one whose opacity is changed. To select objects according to their blending mode, select Blending Mode. Sometimes, stroke and transparency options are hidden, so you can show them by clicking the 3 horizontal line on top right corner of Wand Tool window and then click Show or Hide. That's all for today. Hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you want to suggest a topic. Happy learning!